Hey there, English enthusiast. Welcome to Learn with Huma. Are you ready to learn some fantastic English idioms and phrases while having a blast? Today I've got a story that's going to hook you from the very start. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into my day as a teacher. It was a typical Monday morning, and I was feeling bright eyed and bushy tailed, ready to take on the day as a teacher. I love being the captain of my own ship, navigating my students through the choppy waters of learning. As I walked into the classroom, I was greeted by a sea of smiling faces. My students were a lively bunch, always ready to sink their teeth into a new lesson. I wrote the day agenda on the blackboard, and we dove headfirst into our first topic, idioms. The students were quick on the uptake, and soon we were batting around idioms like break a leg and a bend over backwards. We were really getting the hang of it, and I was beaming with pride. But as this saying goes, pride comes before a fall. Just as we were hitting our stride, fire alarm went off and we had to evacuate the building. Talk about a curveball. As we stood outside waiting for the all clear, I decided to turn a negative into a positive. We used the unexpected break to practice some more idioms like make the most of it and take it with a grain of salt. When we finally returned to the classroom, the students were raring to go. We launched into our next topic, and the rest of the day flew by in a whirlwind of learning and laughter. As the final bell rang, I felt like I was walking on air. It had been a fantastic day, and I knew my students felt the same way. We've had our ups and downs, but in the end we would come out on top. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed my day as a teacher, and I learned some amazing English idioms and phrases along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Huma for more fun and interactive English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Here are some idioms and phrases used in the story along with the meanings. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, feeling energetic, enthusiastic, and ready to start something new. Captain of my own ship means being in control of one's own life or situation. Sink their teeth into means to start working or something enthusiastically and with determination. Break a leg means good luck, often used to wish someone success before a performance or a challenging situation. Bend over backward means to get out of one's way to help or accommodate someone. Quick on the update means able to learn or understand something quickly. Battling round, discussing or tossing around ideas in a casual manner. Pride comes before a fall means a warning that being too proud or overconfident can lead to a failure or setback. Curveball, an unexpected event or surprise. Make the most of it means to take advantage of an opportunity or situation and make it as beneficial as possible. Take it with a grain of salt means to be skeptical or cautious and not to take something too seriously. Raring to go means extremely enthusiastic and ready to start something. Walking on air, feeling extremely happy or elated. Ups and downs means the good and bad experience or events that happens in life. Come out on top, to succeed or emerge victorious in a challenging situation. Hope you like today's video. Keep on practicing, listen and speak. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.